So let's check, go down to 15 minutes time frame to see if we are still on a downtrend. And you can see we are still on a downtrend, but price has broken the structure on the super trend indicator. On 15 minutes, the current market momentum is uptrend, meaning right now it's not a good time to run the bot. That setup has failed. Because on 1 hour the market is on a very strong downtrend. As you can see, it is below the super trend moving average here for quite some time. But on 15 minutes time frame, you can go to 15 minutes time frame, price has broken structure and it's now on an uptrend direction. And also on 5 minutes, let's check on 5 minutes. I call this the top down approach to knowing the current market trend. So check that out on clear the chart so that I can show you clearly. And also on 5 minutes, it's also on an uptrend, which now nullifies us to run the bot on this market. So we won't run the bot on that market. We'll find another market. But during the day, the whole day, there are a lot of setups like these. Simple setups, find simple setups, then use the extra technical analysis with the help of the bot. Let's go to volatility 75 index. The binary bot can trade on all major volatility index markets, considering you are observing the rules. It's not a plug and play binary bot. It's semi-automated. That's what I like to call it. It's a semi-automated binary bot. You have to find good setups to run the bot, and that is the best way to trade, because you are aware what kind of market and condition you are running and exposing your money to, not just running the bot blindly. In trading, I say you create your own luck. You have to create your own luck. You just don't have to run a bot blindly and expect to make profit. Doesn't happen. You may make once, twice, but then the next day it may blow your account. But if you have a strategic approach to your auto trading, then you have an edge in the market. So yeah, let's look at volatility 75 index. We are using the top down approach. 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, all that have to follow one trend with no contradiction at all. So you guessed it right, on the current market volatility 75 index, we are on a strong long-term moment. It may be short-term, but that's what we are interested in, because also our trades are for 5 minutes expiring. We just need this small market data detail that the trend is actually on downtrend. So after that, go to 15 minutes time frame and check the current market momentum. You can see we are also on a somehow downtrend momentum. Price may maybe retrace back to this around this level to decide if it goes up or it continues going down. So two time frames have confirmed the top down analysis. The trend on 1 hour it's downtrend. The trend on 15 minutes it's downtrend. So that means price may go up a little bit to this level. That's when it will decide to go up or to go down. So this is the best level to run your bot, because you will stop the bot once the price has made a decision. So at the moment we have 2 confirmations and 2 time frames. So the last time frame we are going to check is on volatility. It's on 5 minutes time frame, that is following the top down approach. So this is on 15 minutes time frame. Let's go to 5 and see if price is following our strategy. And this is a perfect time to run the bot on volatility 75 index, because you can see price has started running from this area here, and up to now it's on a continuous downtrend momentum. So quickly set the bot to volatility 75 index to the index market. And also right now price has retraced back to this level. It's a resistance level, which is a very good point to run the bot, because if the candle crosses above that level you stop the bot, but if the price continues to go down then you hold your bot run. So yeah, set the market back to volatility 75 index. Set the market to volatility 75 index. We are trading the rise and fall trade type. The contract type is fall, because we are on a downtrend market. So the bot will only execute fall. The bot will only execute fall trades. So the default candle interval, this is where most traders forget to set. The default candle interval should be set to 10 for the best technical analysis. That will help the bot do better analysis on the market. So set that to 10. The other thing is now setting a stake. Target profit. I say these attacks, if you are using a small account, maybe target 3% per risk. Give some time for drawdown, maybe risk 15%. You can use the lowest stake. The martingale factor, the maximum I would recommend. The maximum I would recommend for martingale factor is 2. That means if the first trade is lost, the bot will multiply the next trade times 2. Yeah, I'm using the trade duration. I'm using 5 minutes. you can set 5 minutes because I want to give the trade some time. I want to give the trade some time to run. So after you set all that, confirm everything is set to run, you hit the bot, hit the run the bot. Yeah, I still get messages asking me how to run the bot, so if you can follow. The bot will prompt you with instructions to follow for running the bot. For example, on this rapid call payment API, it tells you that you should run on a downtrend market, use technical analysis or use the free rise and fall tick analyzer to know the current momentum. Yeah, I'll show you that later in this live. But you can use any strategy, just run the bot on a downtrend market. You can use any technical approach you want to determine the current market trend. So after I've run everything, press OK and it will give you the risk management that you should use. You should read that, and then after that it has started to run. It will start analyzing for best points to execute a trade. So right now we are running it on volatility 75 index. We are running it on volatility 75 index now on a downtrend market. Yeah, we are running now on two charts. We are running now on two charts. The first is the current one we have set right now. Using the top-down analysis, we want to hope that maybe price will reject this area here and continue going down. If it doesn't, I will stop my bot, and most likely it will not have taken any trade because it's not the best time to take a trade right now. But if this candle closes above this area like it's doing right now, I will have to stop the bot run. But actually the bot has taken a trade. So let's see how it will perform on that trade. Yeah, if price holds that, I would call it support level, then I will keep running the bot on volatility 75 index. Let's go and check how the other market is performing. We are running it on volatility 25 index. Yeah, running it on an uptrend market only. Yeah, so far the bot has taken 3 trades. You can see. There are currently 2 wins and 1 loss. Yeah. And still I will hold this bot run because the current market momentum is going up. On both, not both, I would call it triple time frames. On 1 hour, price is above the super trend moving average, and also on 15 minutes and also on 5 minutes. So using that top-down approach, I have some probability that the market is going up, and also my binary bot has its own technical analysis to help you find out the best points to execute a trade. So yeah, another trade has been executed on this market. So we'll come back after 5 minutes and see how it has performed. This is the volatility 75 index, and price has just broken the structure here. You can see there is a very strong upward candle. So that means at the end of these 5 minutes I will have to stop this bot maybe with a 0.40 stake loss, because it has broken my top down analysis rule. So sometimes you have to close your trade at maybe the first trade that allows to prevent other trades, the second and the third going into a loss because price didn't go as you predicted. Yeah, but if you go to 1 hour, if you go to 1 hour, you can see the price may be reversing around this area, because even the candlestick patterns are showing that. So those are some of the things as a trader you should be aware of. So I will personally avoid running the bot at an area like this, because this may be a reversal pattern, especially if the center candle is protruding and making lows on the other candles, making higher lows and higher highs. So that's a reversal pattern, candle pattern. So that means the best time to run this bot on 5 minutes time frame was around, let me show you the most optimal point run. I will stop to see if it went into a loss there. So the most optimal point you could have run this bot is at the first break of the 5 minutes trend, which will have been around this area when price broke and continued on a downtrend. So that was around this area here. So that was your entry point, your first entry point that you could have started the bot, because it confirmed on all the other 1 hour, 15 minutes and 5 minutes. So you could have maybe made some good entry on this trend, follow it. But for now we have to stop, because on 5 minutes the price has closed above this super trend. So that means the top down analysis has been broken. The top down analysis rule has been broken. So that was that. Still waiting on the other market to close on the So maybe you can find another empty market and you use the same way. So it's more or less there on volatility 75 index, because the market may now be reversing. Yeah, reversing may start from 1 minute. The patterns to show a reversal may start from 1 minute, 5 minutes. That's when you will start seeing reversal moves on the market. So that's why I like using lower time frames for entry purposes. So let's look at volatility 100 index, the last market that we have not checked for setup. Let's see if we can find a setup. Right now it's on an uptrend on 1 hour. Let's set the time frame. Let's set the time frame to 1 hour to go down for a top-down analysis for the trend. You can use any approach to find trend on the top-down analysis, but for this I'll be using the super trend indicator. So I would say right now the market is on a consolidation zone on 1 hour, so it might be hard to get a setup on this market right now. So let's see 15 minutes. Let's see the current trend on 15 minutes. On 1 hour, the trend was on an uptrend. On 15 minutes, the trend is now also breaking, also on an uptrend. That is a very nice indication. A very nice indication on 15 minutes. So let's hope on 5 minutes. Also, it's above the super trend. If price is above this super trend moving average, then we can start the trend on volatility 100 index. Perfect. Now this is my kind of setup. It has just broken. So the most optimal point to start your bot run would have been here, but now we are a little bit late into the game, so we'll just have to run the bot at the current price. So having known that, you can wait for the next 5 minutes candle to start, or you can start running the bot just right away. But I prefer waiting for the next 5 minutes candle to start, so that the bot will execute trade at the best time. So current candle will be closing after 3 minutes. That's when I will be starting the bot run, just to find the perfect pieces. Also, if you want to confirm the momentum with the tick analyzer, you can go to the dashboard. You can go here to the dashboard and click on show analysis tool, and then it will display it will show all the synthetic index markets, the major ones. and also it will show the major trade types, that is rise and fall, even and odd, over and under, differs and matches. So the tick analyzer tool will give statistics on the market that you choose. So right now we are running it on the rise and fall market on volatility 100. Let's see if our technicals can match the data on tick analyzer tool. So choose, for this we are using a little bit longer time frame. Sorry about that. I will be using 200 ticks to 300 ticks for the best data. Yeah. So right now the tick analyzer tool may be showing 53% on downtrend. You can check on 300 ticks. So the higher you go, the more solid the data. So we will start the bot run at the next candle. If you are seeing errors like you have already subscribed to this market, it occurs on the normal binary bot platform and also on my ultimate bot platform. The reason is you had started running the bot on that browser tab, then you stopped the bot run, and now you want to start the bot run again. I don't know why the Derive platform updated that, but you cannot stop the bot and run the bot again on the same market. So that's another update on the binary bot platform. But anyway, you can always reload the chart to solve that problem and set the bots again. So we are running on volatility 100, so R_100 on the trading view chart. Set the time frame to 1 hour. I'll be using the super trend indicator. So we have seen on 5 minutes, 15 minutes and 1 hour we are on the same trend. So you can run the bot at this market on an uptrend. I've said the best point to run the bot was around this area, so you have to be on the watch out for the best entry points. But for this tutorial I'll just show you the basics so that you can wait when you're trying this strategy on your own. So set the market to volatility 100. That is the one we are using. Then trade type rise and fall. So we are trading on an uptrend set to rise. The default candle interval you have to set to 10 minutes for the binary bot to have the best technical analysis. So yeah, we are ready to set the target profit. I'm using 3% per run. I will be risking maybe 30-20% per run to give the bot some drawdown time, which is normal. You just have to follow the instructions. Use the lowest stake. I'm using 0.4. The martingale factor is 2. You can use 1.5 for low martingale steps, and also you can set after how many steps you want to do the martingale. So I'll leave it back to 1 and set the duration. The trade duration should be set to minutes, and I will be using 5 minutes because this is a long-term analysis approach to binary bot, combining technical analysis with binary bot trading, not just running the bot randomly. So check everything is set. Now for the rise, it will be like that. Use the default settings of the binary bot if you don't know what you are changing. It has already been set up, but you can also backtest other settings. The bot has some editable settings. So right now we are waiting to run the bot on volatility 100 index uptrend setups. Let's begin. Hit the run button, then the bot will prompt you with some messages. You should read through all that. To get the tick analyzer tool, you can go to my binary bot platform. This platform, you can see it right there on the dashboard icons. So press OK. So if you are waiting for the next 5 minutes candle to close, you can hold at that point, then set your timer. You can use the clock on your laptop or computer. Then at the start of 5 minutes, you can start the run. Then the bot will start analyzing. The bot will start analyzing. I'm using this candle rapid fall candle. It has its own technical analysis also on the market to find the best optimal trade entries. So then after that, you just have to sit back and wait and see how the trades will play out. Get the binary bot on my platform if you want to test this strategy. It's already pre-saved on my binary bot platform. You can go there and actually test this strategy out, because I have tested it out for quite some time now and it has worked very well. If you use good risk management, you can actually make some quick cash every day, finding simple setups on volatility index markets. The bot is still analyzing the market. No trades have been executed yet. So my guess is that the price may come down to this support level here. before the bot executes a trade. So you just have to wait. So if the candlestick, if a bearish candlestick closes below, if a bearish candlestick closes below my support level, then I stop running the bot. But if price continue to go up and observing my uptrend, then the bot will continue running. You can always have to check the real time. You can always observe real time trend using the tick analyzer tool. On this strategy I use 300 tick duration. You can see the current real-time trend is on a downtrend, so the bot may take its time before taking a trade until these changes and the rise is at least above 55%. That's when maybe the binary bot will execute a trade. It was also the strategy that has been used in the binary bot for finding breakout setups in the market following the trend. So learn some entry techniques on the market so that you can always be on the profitable side. So the bots I share, I just share them so that you can create a strategy around them. 8-digit bots or other trade digits, or even the MetaTrader 5 systems. Just do some research on how the systems work, then take an approach around those systems. And the internet is your friend. Let's check how the bot is performing on the volatility 25 index, the other market that we are running on. It has taken 3 trades right now. Green still losses, but right now the market is going down maybe to that support level. So how the bot will perform, how many martingale steps it can go until this level is reached. So yeah, that will be an interesting observation of the market using the rapid fall, the rapid rise binary bot. So yeah. Now in volatility 100, first trade has been executed. You can see, and the momentum on the tick analyzer is also rising, which gives me confidence on my trade. That means the real time trend is changing to the rise. The trade is on the rise. So we are using the top-down approach, of time frames from 1 hour. Check the trend, confirm the trend is on the same direction as 15 minutes and the same direction as 5 minutes. If the three confluences are observed, then find the best point to run the bot. Especially if you want perfect entries, like on this market, the best time to run this bot was around this area, not around this area where we are running right now. So this one is more risky compared to this entry here. After you have done your top-down approach, because this entry will go down to the this level and it will create another swing low on this trend. So the perfect entry point will be at the start of this breakout here, and actually the super trend on the trading view chart will show you a small arrow here. The green arrow will show that the price has broken above the support, and we will have all these to run the bot. So the first trade has been executed and it has closed in profit, you can see, and it's still, I continue the bottom because I still believe the momentum of the trend is an uptrend market. Another trade has been executed on this trend. We are running on volatility 100 index there. The symbol for volatility 100 is R_100. So this is a simple but effective strategy. That I have tested and I have found it works very well with the binary bot. You can use any binary bot to trade this way. The binary bot just has to follow some basic rules, maybe the trend and market momentum and things like that. So for now, I'm using the binary bot on my ultimate bot platform. The name, it's Rapid Fall Trend AI bot and Rapid Rise AI bot, designed to run on my platform. Just clear your browser cookies once, then switch to Ultimate binary bot and enjoy the additional features like the preset bots and the tick analyzer tool, and also the topic trading service. Analyzer is now free for everyone, full version. our trade. Like I said, the price might touch these support levels here, and if it breaks them, then it's time to stop your bot. Yeah, like the way it has done. Yeah. But like I said, that was not the best point to run the bot. It was just a re-entry into the trend. For the most optimal point, use the first break of the trend. Like this is the best point to run the bot. You could have made some 3%. So another setup running on volatility 100 index there. So this market is experiencing a drawdown on the setups, but that was due to late entry. But you can improve on your entries and practice on them. Let's see how many martingale steps the bot can take while it's using its own technical analysis. So the other feature I wanted to test and show you is the digit trading. Using the over 2-digit precision. Black binary that's there, and the 5 setups on over 2-digit order trading. Just click on the bot to load it on the chart, then click on the show analysis tool to open the tick analyzer to show you the digit statistics. So this is just a simple strategy to trade over 2 digits. So I will set the trade type to differs and matches. And set the number of ticks to 200 duration. the settings for the volatility, for the major volatility index. So right now I'm finding setups to run the bot on over 2 digits. I will use the tick analyzer to show me the current digit statistic of maybe digit 0, 1 and 2. If they are below 10%, it will be a perfect time to run the bot. So you have to check on all the volatility index markets. So on volatility 25 index, digit 2 is at 11%. Digit 2 is at 11%. That means it's not the best time to run digit 2 because at the moment it's frequent in the market. Go to volatility 50 index and see that digit 2 is at 7%. That's a good statistic, but the 0 and 1 are above 10%. That means you may experience some risk, but for this, like I can show you, when digit 2 is below 10% on a 200 tick duration, you can start and make some quick trades. So set the bot quickly to volatility 50 index and set the bot's digits over. For the default candle leaves, you can leave it to 1 minute, but you can also set it to 5 minutes. So for the tick duration, I'll be using 1 tick duration, or you can also use 5 tick duration. So right now, digit 2 is a red number, which means it's the least frequent digit on the market right now. A perfect time to run the bot. So shouldn't digit over 2. Always make sure every setting has been observed and running the over 2 position. I've done a tutorial on that on my YouTube, how to run that bot. You can check that out. But when digit 2 starts hitting 9.5%, I stop running the bot. Because that means binary bot, the digit statistics on digit 2 has started to rise, so it will be more frequent in the market. Let's find another market on volatility index market. You can start with volatility 100 index. And look for the statistics. The statistics right now is at 7.5%, which means it's a good time to run the bot, but not really because the decline is at 14%. That means it's very frequent in the market. So the best time to run over two positions is when you get around the digit USD that is below 5%. That is the best point to run the over two position where when the digit statistic is like arrow digit below 5%, but right now you can see it's at 8%, meaning it's also very frequent in the market. So I cannot run the bot on that. I cannot run the bot on that market. I have to find other setups using the tick analyzer. Go to volatility 75 index and find the digit statistics. So this is a good market because digit 0 is the least frequent digit on the market. Digit 2 is also at 10%. Digit 2 is below 10%. So very fast you have to be quick to run the bot so that you can make some good catch and some early catch. When you see it turn to red, that means it's the least frequent digit in the market. So run the bot on volatility 75 index. You can load the chat if you have any troubles, like you have already subscribed to volatility. So set the market to over 2. We're using that bot over 2. We already have the statistics, so set them to over and then click and So this is the pattern that the bot has to follow. Make sure it follows the blue, red pattern so that it can take the most optimal trade. Make sure to set up your prediction number, which is digit 2, if all the conditions have been met. Hit the run. Always check the expression. The analysis has started, you can see. So the bot has to find a specific digit pattern before executing a trade. So click here to load the tick analyzer. The first trade has been executed. First trade has been executed. Let's see the digit statistics. Let's see the digit statistics on volatility 75 index. Go to differs and matches, then you get that. So right now digit 2, we are using 200 tick duration. Digit 2 is at now 11%. That means right now it's very frequent in the market. You should stop the bot now when it starts becoming more frequent in the market. We have been able to take 3 trades win and 1 loss. Yeah, so that is not a long term. It's not a long term trading binary bot. We just have to find the best optimal point to run the bot on the digit over 2. When it's below 10% or digit 2 is a red digit, then it will be the most optimal point to run. It will be the most optimal point to run the over 2 precision digit bot. So that's how the tick analyzer tool is used to analyze digits. You just have to observe the digit statistic, then determine if you want to trade the digit differ or the digit match. So if you are looking to trade digit match, the most frequent digits with the highest probability will be the digit highlighted in green color, like this digit here is 13%. That means that is the most repeated digit at the moment. So running a good binary bot with analysis to find a match digit that is green in color will be more likely to win compared to just running with no statistics. I want to continue this live on my YouTube channel because right now it's live but I have some issue with the sound, but I want to migrate this live on my YouTube channel. So if you are watching right now, you can go to my YouTube channel and click on the live. I will be live on YouTube in a very short while. gold chart. I have a buy on gold chart, so just let me check that in a quick. Trade still on the move, still waiting for it. So this bot also got the price, so I have to stop the bot run and that volatility 100 index chart. Yeah, that's a break even setup because the trend is going down and it has broken below my support level. So yeah, so that's how you can combine technical analysis with auto trading with binary bots. And also technical analysis can also be done on digit bots. You just have to know when the tick analyzer gives you a signal. If you are trading over digits or under digits and you want to know the least frequent digit in the market or the most frequent digit in the market, you can use this tick scanner tool here. It has a guide, so if under and over, you will see the highlighted percentages. You can use this one to handle quick duration. So yeah, I'll be sharing strategies and showing you the best and perfect time to run a binary bot in the coming weeks, and I will be showing you the most optimal point to run a bot. So yeah, check that out. Very soon I'll share some good digit bots that will be working on my bot platform so that you can access the tick analyzer too. So yeah, I want to transfer this live on my YouTube channel, so I'll share a link on my Telegram right now to the link to my YouTube, so you can follow the